You're welcome to another edition of Sharing Trade Information. And in this particular episode, I'll be talking about the country Nigeria export to and what they export to those countries, just like we have done in this series. In the last episode, I told you about the fact that today we'll look at UK and the US. We'll look at UK and the US. What does Nigeria export to UK and the US? If you are just stopping by for the first time, give this video a thumbs up. If you are stopping by for the first time, give this video a thumbs up. I believe this video will be of immense benefit to you. If you are looking at going into export business, of course, you will learn a few things from this video about the item you need to export. Remember, the goal of this particular program is to be able to help individuals who want to go into export business to know what can we export and which country can we export to. Nigeria export to UK is just about $31 million. Even though there are so many items exported to the UK, but it's not so impressive. I'm not impressed, actually. I was thinking we'd do much more than this, but we're not doing so much. But in terms of number, from gari to yam flour to goat skin, goat leather, to foodstuffs, to drinks, both drink and non-alcoholic drink, from malt to Malta Guinness, to synthetic air, to broom, plastic pets, pet flakes, TSR, that's TSR, that's technically specified rubber, Star and Gouda, that's beer, soft drinks, refined lead ingot, recycle pet flakes. UK is buying a lot of recycled plastic from Nigeria. UK is buying a lot of, if you are living in the UK, you have friends in the UK, UK is buying a lot of recycled plastic from Nigeria. So if you are looking for market for recycled plastic for pet bottles, UK is a market that you might want to consider. It's in hundreds of thousands of dollars. Cocoa butter. UK is buying cocoa butter from Nigeria. Aluminium, pure aluminium. UK is buying aluminium from Nigeria. Pet flakes, malt drinks, palm juice. You know, I told you the other time why palm wine are not usually called palm wine. They are called palm juice. And the reason they are called palm juice basically is because if you call it palm wine, wine is a luxury product. You are going to be paying a lot for it. And people prefer to call it palm juice because that reduces the fee they pay. Hibiscus flour, hibiscus sifting. Hibiscus flour, hibiscus sifting. Indomie noodles. Small plastic cooler. I've talked about alcoholic and non-alcoholic drink and gari. A lot of Nigerian foodstuffs. Palm juice, palm drink, peanut, Schweppes, broom. Igbale, dudu osun, air extension, expression air particularly, Lush and expression, air brand. There are so many Nigerian foodstuffs, from beverages to alcohol to peanut crackers, soft drinks, malt drinks, shea butter, Maltina, Schweppes, different kind of drinks, cooking pot. What? Cooking pot? Yes, cooking pot. Tom, synthetic air, Ghana must go bag, yo-yo bitters, stout origin, yo-yo bitters, granite, branded nylons, different kind of malt drink, air attachment, Indomie noodles, sesame seed, golden morn, Maltina, Coke, Malta Guinness, curry, Ducros curry. I've talked about palm wine already. Ducros curry, Indomie chicken, Indomie onion, Indomie, different kind of Indomie. I've talked about golden morn, white gari, yellow gari, Ijebu gari. Ijebu Gari, air attachment, Guinness Stout. So much demand for Guinness Stout. For those that drink stout, I understand Nigerian stout is a lot better. For those that drinking, they know. Guinness Stout, Guinness Stout, Golden Morn, Guinness Stout, Golden Morn. You know, I see a lot of Gary being exported. I export Gary myself. I export Gary. I'm sure this thing I'm seeing, my Gary is part of it. Pap Ogi. Pap Ogi. Dry pap. Dry pap. Various kind of Nigerian foodstuffs. Just think of any Nigerian foodstuff, cornstarch, locust beans, iru, locust beans, iru. I've talked about air extension. I've talked about Ijebu Gari. I've talked black soap, Dudu Osun. I've talked about Ducros curry. I've talked about dry split ginger. I've talked about dry pap. Dry pap. I've talked about dry hibiscus flower. I've talked about Coke bottles, cashew kernel, aluminium ingot, alcoholic drinks, foodstuffs, synthetic air, African cashew kernel, chin chin. You see Mimi chin chin? Chin chin. So if you have someone in the UK, you have a friend in the UK, you have an ally in the UK, and you are thinking, what can I export to the UK? Here is the list of items that Nigeria currently exports to United Kingdom. There's so many of them. Just think of any item that Nigeria currently uses locally. That's it. And I'm sure by the time we do in the next video, we'll be talking about United States. I'm sure by the time we do United States, you will see exactly the same thing. And many more items. Now, what this is telling you is all these items are already accepted in those countries. There are buyers in those countries. There are distributors in those countries. In fact, you know, there is this particular company in the UK called Wanix. The warehouse they use is like a stadium, and they stack different products high. I mean, 3, 4, 5 meter high. They have to use crane to stack products in that particular company, owned by Asians, selling African food, and African products, cosmetic and the like, in large quantity. I think, you know, and the number of products I saw there were Nigerian products. I saw Tura. I've not seen Tura in a long time. I saw Tura in that place. Tura soap. This is a challenge to Nigerians in the UK. And for Nigerians at home to partner with Nigeria in the UK. For us to also have that kind of location where our people can be able to buy our product. Nigerians in the UK in millions, in the US in millions. And they need this product which you can export to them. I believe this video has been of immense benefit to you. If that is the case, then give the video a thumbs up, like the video, share with your friends, and remember to click on notification bell. If you are new to this particular YouTube channel, please click on that subscribe button. My name is Dele Ayimiba, and I'm your expert doctor, and I'm signing out. See you in the next video. Bye for now.